Hey everyone, MintSportsCards.com here. We're going to crack another box of the 2012 Bowman Sterling. This is box number 5 of 7. So we're going to crack it. Check out our other videos. We've been doing just about a box a day. There was one night we had a really bad box. We opened 2, so there's a second video from the same night. But we're going to crack this one. Let's see what we get. It's a big snowy day here, so what better thing to do than crack a great box of cards. Alright. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, the last few boxes we've gotten were really good. Yesterday we got some great hits, a great box topper with Dylan Bundy, a triple auto. So things are going really well with this. Alright, let's see what we get. Here we go. We got Jesus Montero and Mike Zunino. Eddie Butler, Matthew Smorrell, Max Fried. Starling Marte rookie. Well, we got a purple coming, so looks like a purple. Let's go to the back here. Richard Schaefer. Tyler Naquin. And a purple dual auto, Garrett Cole Jamison Tallison, 5 of 10. Wow, that's a really nice card. The only damage I could see to it would be right about there. It's hard to see in the camera. On the sticker, there's a little smudge of some sort when it was laid on the card. But otherwise, it's a great card. Let's see. Here's a redemption. Brett Jackson, rookie. Gavin Cecchini. Mitch Haniger. And our redemption is Prospect Auto, David Vidal. Jose Quintana, rookie, 98 of 199. Matt Adams. Lucas Sims, Marcus Stroman. Reimer Liriano, number 22 of 199. Daniel Straley. Oh, there we go. Tajon Walker. Patrick Wisdom. And the last pack. Oh, we got a prospect card. Corey Dickerson. Chris Owings. Sean Nolan. And Chris Archer. So overall, not too bad of a box. That dual auto is, of course, the best card we got, and I'd probably say the Vidal Redemption and the Tajon Walker. All right, everyone. Again, this is MintSportsCards.com. We might be back later for another box. Otherwise, we'll do another one tomorrow. Have a great day. See ya.